human rights lawyer and principal partner, Great Law Practice, Edward Ejimba Omaga, has called on the federal and state governments to decongest correctional centers as a measure to prevent the incessant jailbreaks across the country. The legal practitioner also suggested the use of alternative dispute resolution and settlement of conflict as a way to reduce the caseload for judges and giving them adequate time to focus on serious cases. He stated this at the unveiling of a legal consulting firm, Great Law Practice Limited Partnership in Abuja on Friday.
Our firm is basically a litigation-oriented firm, meaning that we love to go to court a lot. We do cases in court, but there's what we call alternative dispute resolution. That is to say, resolving disputes outside the court. Because if you notice, our courts are choked with all manner of cases, both from the lower court down to Supreme Court. There is need for parties, people who have issues, to embrace alternative dispute resolution. Definitely, that is one of the ways that is trending. In Lagos, in Abuja, there's what we call the multi-door courthouse. People go in there, they discuss how to settle a matter without necessarily going through the hurdles of litigation. Litigation could take some years upon years. But if you have arbitration and all that, reconciliation and all that, it's easy. So I encourage that, even though Nigeria, we like litigation a lot, especially the lawyers. We encourage more partnership in different firms. We encourage alternative dispute resolution of matters. This will make justice delivery very easy and fast. As a matter of fact, corruption is not all about lawyers. Corruption has eaten deep into the fabrics of the country called Nigeria. I will agree with you that there are some cases that lawyers were involved in either money laundering or whatsoever. But I can also tell you that there are too many lawyers who are doing well in practice. If you say a lawyer is involved in money laundering, the question you should ask is, who gave him the money to launder? I think we should be talking about the politicians who gave money to lawyer or give whatever brief to lawyer to use it as a way of laundering money. But by and large, we advocate that lawyers are the engineers of the society. Lawyers are the torchbearers of the society. People come to ask us questions daily on what to do and what not to do. So as much as possible, we advise our lawyers to trade on the path of caution, on the path of integrity, so that you don't soil your hand in issues of money laundering and criminality. Criminality is not for lawyers. We defend criminality. We are not supposed to be mentioned as criminals. It's quite unfair. Yes, every government that comes have their own way, style of leadership. While you may have rule of law reigning in other parts of the country, in other countries of the world, you may not have gotten exactly what you expect in Nigeria. More so that we are running a democracy. But then, you cannot take it away from the fact that the government of the day has tried to a very large extent to obey the rule of law. What we get may not be 100%, definitely. Like I said, there are different styles of leadership. What you got under President Goodluck Jonathan was not the same what you got with President Obasanjo, and now we are in Buhari regime. So you can weigh them by that kind of standard. But when we hope and pray that as we go into the 2023 elections, God will give us a leader, a president, who will not just obey the rule of law, but obey it totally, 100%.